Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tracking too many stocks in TradingView, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to create sector-wise watch lists in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll have your own organized watch list sorted by sector, making it so much easier to monitor and analyze the stocks that matter most to you. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to TradingView and locate the main menu at the top of the page. Find the section labeled Products. This acts like the main entrance to all of TradingView's tools and features. Hover over Products and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see a tool called Screeners. Click on this and then select Stocks from the options. The stock screener in TradingView is a bit like having a high-powered search engine that sifts through all stocks for you so you don't have to scroll endlessly. Now, since we want to focus on building watch lists for specific sectors, the next thing you should do is look for the sector filter option. This filter is super handy and saves you a ton of time by letting you isolate stocks by their industry sector. Whether you're interested in technology, healthcare, or energy, you can quickly narrow your focus. For this demonstration, let's say you want a list of companies from the communications sector, which generally includes giants like Verizon or AT&T, but could also cover a range of related businesses. Find the sector filter, typically found at the top or on the sidebar of the screener, and simply select Communications. Once the screener updates to show only communications sector stocks, here's a shortcut that'll save you a lot of clicking on the keyboard. Press Ctrl+A to select all the stocks on the page. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command+A instead. It's kind of like highlighting every item in a list with one swift move, so you don't have to check each box one by one. After selecting all, right-click anywhere on the highlighted list. You'll see an option pop up to Create New List. Click that and you can now give your new list a name, like Communications Watch List or whatever fits your style. Don't forget to hit Save, that way you don't lose any of your hard work. Alright, so far so good. Just to recap, you've now created a watch list specific to your chosen sector. But how do you actually use it while viewing charts? Here's what you do. Head back to Products once more, but this time click on Superchart. This is TradingView's advanced charting platform, basically the dashboard where you can do all your analysis. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a watchlist panel. Yours might be collapsed, but just look for the little panel or icon there and click to expand it. Now look for the option to add a new watchlist. When you click this, you should see the sector watchlist you just created. Select it, and voila, all your communications sector stocks will appear neatly organized in your watchlist right beside your charts. And that's it. Creating sector-wise watch lists in TradingView isn't just a time saver. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their investing organized and targeted. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using watch lists. And of course, remember to subscribe so you never miss out on more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.